Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Inova Employee Account. So let's get it started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Inova Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as innova.org with this text for employees. And now we are in the official website of Inova and also under this Employee Access and Resources section. Now, to log into your account, tap on Inova Benefits Center. And here, you will be facing a form asking for your username and your password to log into your account. So type your username in the text field given for your username. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, you can do so by tapping on this text, Forgot Password. Now, to log into your account, simply tap on this login button and you will be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update, and feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.